Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to check your Citibank credit card in the Axis Bank application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Citibank website right here, citi.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. So this is going to be the main page. If you're on the mobile phone, you're going to just go ahead and download the Citibank application and open it up. So once you have done so, you can now get started. But the first thing we need to do is log in. So what you want to do is use this login form right here. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is just open an account, or if you have one, just haven't activated online, you can do so with the activate button. So once you have gotten your account set up, you can go ahead and log in. So once we have logged in, we are going to go and be greeted by the home page. The home page is going to be our dashboard where we can take a look at our balance and all our payments that are due. So from there we can get started. Now we can get started checking our Citibank credit cards in the Axis Bank application. How can we do so? We can find the answer right here. So here we can take a look at Axis Bank. There they have the frequently asked question showing us that we can activate our Citi branded debit or credit card to complete the registration and set our Axis Bank login and ID password. So once you're logging into Axis Bank or creating an account, you can just use your credit card that you have already created on Citibank, so you can use it and input it into your account in Axis Bank. So as you can see guys, on migration day, your existing Citi branded cards and Citibank accounts will be transitioned to Axis Bank and Axis Bank accounts. So all your cards that have been created with Citi.com are going to be available to use on the Axis Bank as well. You can use them like any other card or just your Axis card normally when setting up your account or using them for payments. It's all going to work the same. So basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.